Gartley pattern only has specific measurements to define the best situations, and it starts with a 618 at the B point. That's right at the middle of the whole pattern. We need a specific AB equals CD structure. And there's only one pattern, one number at the XA retracement, the largest number, that's 786 number. These define what the whole formation's about. Now this is a bullish Gartley. And again, that B point at a 618 is the only number that sets up with the symmetry and the math for where we're looking for a 786 XA reversal. One of the rules that I use is a very tight interpretation where this can be a plus or minus 3%. And that's one of the defining rules that I've put forth actually in recent material in the last couple of years, where if you want to know if that's going to turn at a 786, that B point better be between 58 and 65% generally, linking up with an ABCD structure. Something like this. It's the Dow futures on a 4-hour chart. That's a pretty clear pattern off of an extreme low. Look at near exact 618. That sets up the A, B, C, D, and all of those numbers right there, especially on the first test, that reaction, really clear sign that that's some harmonic support. The bullish PRZ, that potential reversal zone, looks like this. We have a minimum ABCD, but the key is looking for that 786 as well. Putting the stop loss under the 1.0, that's the prior low. So the PRZ would look like something like this. The stop's all the way down there. We would adjust our stops, and clearly this initial reaction is the harmonic, valid harmonic initial reaction that we want to see.